Salut les amis, je suis dans le condo de mon oncle, my cousin. So, on fait un petit tour. Il y a des closets. Ici, il y a le bathroom et mon frère est là. Ici, the kitchen. So when on vient de revenir, we just came back from my grandma's house. We celebrated Christmas. This is what my brother got. Let's go. This is the kitchen. Yeah. Dining room. Il y a tellement de rideaux là. Oh mon dieu, c'est unfocused. C'est un cute pantoufle. It actually fits. Mais genre si mes pieds sont vraiment petits, so like that's why. Ew. En tout cas. So, right here. Oh shit. Here is the parents' room. Ça is, I think, the laundry. Sup, Noah? She's showering. So, it actually feels like a hotel because I've never been in a hotel before. That's that. And this is the kids' room. C'est trop cute. Yeah, we got these posters. C'est Ayu. Pas très bien. But that. So, I got this earmuff. It's so adorable. Wait, I'm going to montrer. So, see there. It's so cute. It's like. Yeah. Now I'm doing my skincare. Sunscreen, mais je vais pas mettre beaucoup parce que mon visage est tellement blanc quand je mets ça. I will cover my eye bags avec the mask. Move. Il a mon highlighter. Je sais pas c'est quoi le brand. I don't know the brand. Oh, yes, sir. The lighting is kind of my pop-up broke. Too bad. I don't know why. Makeup, my face is really ugly on camera. Hello guys. It's Monday. What is Monday the 26th, Boxing Day. I'm not gonna go shopping. Parce que ça sert à rien. I don't need anything. On voit vraiment pas bien. Ok, c'est mieux comme ça. The lighting is really bad. Je sais pas si c'est cute. Je sais pas si on va Yeah. Je sais pas quoi parler. Parler des random stuff. My favorite music. These days I'm listening to SZA, Kill Bill, or Low. Yeah. I like New Jeans. Yeah. Let's try something else. Let's do Lancome. So I'm just gonna put that deeper. Porter un chandail blanc, it's really risky. Now, let's do my eyebrows. So, mes sourcils, my eyebrows are really like pale. Like it's not visible, really. Now we brush it. On va faire quelque chose to my eyes. So, on va utiliser ce Matchbox. So, ça sera dark ici. Yeah, on va faire pas smoking, un peu comme pas trop genre visible. Honestly, I'm no makeup artist. Just gotta find me shade out. Mes nose encore parce que là je sais pas. Hey guys, so I am struggling on finding a shirt. So option one was this white shirt de tantôt. Là I have this, mais c'est trop comme too much detail, tu vois, il y a ça and then this. So no, honestly it's pas super. I changed my outfit. My hair.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Merci pour tout.
Il est resté là pendant combien d'heures là? Je comprends pas. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm going to do a Christmas haul. This Ari perfume. I already have it, but it's okay because I have doubles. So I can use the other one because I've been saving the other one for like special occasions, but now I can wear it like every day because I have another one. Jacob! Perfume. I love perfume. It smells very good at the It comes with a shower gel and a body lotion. Earmuffs! Woo! See, what's that? Yeah. Finish! So about tellement vite, like time flies really fast. I didn't realize time. On est déjà mercredi. We're Wednesday. We're Wednesday. Like we got to Quebec Saturday, and then it was like Christmas Eve, so we celebrated Christmas, and then the 25th we stayed at home watching a scary movie, and then the Monday it was the party, and then next day we chilled. Okay, but yeah, so it's the 30th, no, not September, December 30th, and we have another party. It's sub. I love you, 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 Okay, bye. Say bye. 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 Say bye.
No.
Oui. Bye.
Honey, she knows.
Oh, hello, Papa. What's
Today is the 31st December, and it's New Year's. 6, 5, I have some.
Oh yeah, wait.
Oh my god, credit to the girl, credit to the girl. Wait for me. Okay, attends moi. On va prendre les doigts. Ok, 1, 2, 3. C'est trop bon. Ouais. Still alive. Oh shit. Yo, did you want fun? Woo! Eggs. Vraiment. Genre c'est 10 sur 10 recommended. Oh non. Restez là par terre. Ok, bye. C'est bye. 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 C'est bye.
No.
Oui. Bye.
Honey, she knows.